In this video, I would like to share with you some tricks that you can use to make your reliability statistics acceptable. So what does the rule say? The rule of reliability says that any percentage above 90 is excellent, between 80 to 89 is good, and between 70 to 79 is acceptable. The rest are questionable, poor, and unacceptable. So basically what this means is that for your variables to be reliable for analysis, it must be 70 and above. So let's say you finish with your reliability analysis and you've gotten a result like this, which is 60.8%. Under the rule of reliability, this is questionable. So how do we make this acceptable? To do this, let's get into it. We click on Analysis, scroll down to Scale, and select Reliability Statistics. Here, we move the items into the next box, or the questions into the next box. After we finish moving the questions, we click on Statistics, select Item, Means, then click Continue. Now we could click OK and we will get our reliability results, but we already did that and our results was not acceptable but questionable. So here is the trick. Under the skill label, if you have a Likert skill questions like I do, mine is 1 to 5, yours could be 1 to 7, or your questions may not be Likert skill. Whatever it is, under the skill label, I'm going to insert 4, which on my Likert scale represents a grade. If I insert 4, I'll click OK and check if the results I'll get to be above 70. If I don't get that, I'll come back and select another number from my Likert scale, could be 2 or 5, until I get a reliability results that is 70% or above. If yours is not Likert skill questions, you can still use this trick. So under the skill label, I'll type in 4 now, check that the model is on Alpha, then select OK. So this is the results I had, and the important thing here is the reliability statistics table. Here you can see I had 92.7% under the Alpha, which, according to the reliability rule, is excellent. If you didn't get a percentage 70 and above, you can go back and do it again by changing the figure in the skill label.